Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to delete WhatsApp account without phone number. First, you need to deactivate via email support. In this, draft an email, open your email client and compose a message to support@whatsapp.com. Next, subject line. Next is email body and timeline. WhatsApp will review your email and deactivate the account. And secondly, recover the SIM card to delete manually. You need to get a replacement SIM. Visit your mobile carrier's retail store with your ID and request a replacement SIM card with your old number. Next, log in on a new device. Insert the new SIM into any mobile phone, download the official app and log in using the SMS verification code. Next is delete the account. In the app, navigate to settings, account, delete account. Lastly, automatic deletion by WhatsApp. 120 days of inactivity to keep data secure. WhatsApp automatically delete accounts that have been completely inactive for 120 days. Recycle numbers. If your old carrier reassigns your number to a new customer after a month of inactivity, the new owner's login will automatically clear your old profile data and chat history from WhatsApp servers. If you still have any questions, comment down below.